Ancient Celtic legends tell of a time when the veils between the living and the dead thinned and allowed the spirits to visit the earthy realm. Today, we know it as Halloween, the biggest global cosplay event full of trick or treating and fun. Ghosts and spirits notwithstanding, for the longest time, luxury watch brands were seen as too serious to play along with, but have now embraced the spirit of Halloween. Here are some spooky watches which the brands have released in the past few years. In 2017, Constantine Chaikin came up with the Pumpkinhead Wristmon Special Halloween Edition. Inspired by the classic Jack-o'-lantern, the watch features a pumpkin orange dial with glowing yellow eyes and a toothy grin. The case back has a smiling pumpkin head motif which was created just for this unique piece. Later came the Pumpkinhead Green Halloween, a fresh version in the glowing green tones. The watch dial is again made in the style of Jack-o'-lantern, which according to legend helped to ward off evil spirits. The watch comes with a secret case back showing a witch flying on a broom against the backdrop of a huge moon. It's a perfect mix of fine craftsmanship and Halloween mischief. Studio Underdog also joined the fun with their pumpkin watch. Inspired by their other collections and famously designed by an 11-year-old girl, another one-of-a-kind creation. Today, watches are anything but dull. Skeleton dials reveal mechanical bones. The Richard Mille Skull legacy began in 2012 and the brand continues to expand the collection with striking variations. Over the years, Hublot has reimagined the skull design through various timepieces. The classic Fusion Tourbillon skull, launched in 2014, defined by its bold modern aesthetic, is one of the iconic models. Bell & Ross also has a few skull watches in bronze, ceramic and sapphire, with bold skull design, engraved case and rebellious motifs. Lucky Harvey's craftsmanship series Skull Limited Edition shows hours and minutes through the skull eyes with the jaw moving each hour. Even Timex X Wednesday Legacy adds Halloween charm with a blacked out dial, custom raven second hands and a daily dark surprise in the date window. These watches prove that there's room for magic and mischief. Trick or treat? Tell us in the comments, would you wear a Halloween themed watch?